All right, hopefully you felt comfortable with that exercise. Let's take a look at our second note.
The note is F, and it lies on the bottom space of the staff. Note name is F, and the fingering is thumb only. Hopefully you could have figured that out, knowing that this is the thumb key, and all these down here are the right and left hand. Anything above the line is your left hand. Anything below the line is your right hand. Thumb only, bottom space. Okay, so you have to recognize that, and that is the note F.
And that note would look and sound like this. Thumb in the back, no fingers on the front. Okay, once you feel comfortable with that note, let's go on to exercise number 2.